Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off the wireless power sharing on this device. So first you should go into the settings, and here scroll down to the battery and performance. Here just you got the battery saver and battery sections. Just switch that to the battery here, and just to enable the sharing with the power with wireless power sharing, just tap here once on this switcher, and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and also you can just tap here on the right upper corner on the settings icon, and by the same way you can just find here the switcher, and you can just turn on or turn off this feature. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.